Good morning, it's Tuesday the 15th of June, it's day 5 for me of the Cleveland Way. I'm just in the quarry outside Slapewath and I'm on my way to Staithes. I think it's a journey of about 14 miles today. I'm going to make the most of this sunny weather because there's thunderstorms forecast for Thursday. I think the chances of me staying dry all week are always going to be a bit slim. And I'm also on the last day when my pack is being carried for me rather than carrying it myself. So for those two reasons, I'm going to make the most of what should be a lovely day. Well, I've dawdled my way to Saltburn by the sea, and I'm by the sea, as you can see, and I'm on the pier. Sadly, the cliff lift isn't working, but I'm going to walk to the end of the pier and back. It's not officially part of the Cleveland Way, but it's got to be done, don't you think? Just made my way up to the top of the cliffs outside Saltburn. I've got about 8.5 miles to go to Staithes. I'm feeling partly pleased and partly sort of a bit disappointed because I'm probably over halfway of the Cleveland Way now. There's only about 50 miles to go to Filey. I'm sort of midday on the 5th day out of 9, so yeah, almost exactly halfway. So I wanted to end really. I've just done the short climb up from the fishing village of Skinning Grove. Charming little place, about 3/4 of a mile back. I have about 4 miles to go to Staithes. I have to climb up now to the top of Boltby Cliffs, which I think at 230 metres are the highest ones in England. It's a lovely sunny day. I'm in no rush, so I'm taking my time. I was just reflecting on what makes the Cleveland Way so captivating, and I think it's probably the contrast between the different types of scenery you enjoy along the way. Think about coming off the moor yesterday and then this morning through the woodland and small towns and then emerging at the coast. The other thing I've remembered to do while walking along the coast is to keep looking back all the time, because quite often the view in the other direction is just as spectacular as the one in front of you. So I've arrived at the Captain Cook Inn in Staithes, which some of the locals call Steer, apparently. This is where I'm staying the night, and I've got a lovely room, room 5. It's got a fantastic view of the sea. You probably can't see over my shoulder, but I had a super walk today, 23 Ks, which is just over 14 miles. Took me ages because I was really slow. I was deliberately slow today. Where I was walking 4.5 Ks an hour yesterday, I was doing about 3.5 Ks today. But it just felt right, and what a super scenery all day long. I've got dinner booked for this evening at the Cod and Lobster, which is the sister establishment restaurant to this hotel. And although I had to walk up the steep hill at the end of my journey today, I've got to do it again this evening and back after dinner. It's probably a good way of burning up the calories. Anyway, I recommend this day, which was day 5 of the Cleveland Way, and looking forward to good weather again tomorrow. See you tomorrow.